Nothing left. I need you, but I get you now. I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too long. I've been away too long. No, I can't be faithful. Mami Eunice, nagdala ko siya ka. Thank you so much. I've been away too long. La 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 la. I've been away too long. Salamat, Mami Eunice. Thank you so much. Gusto ko lang magpa-music kahit saglit. Sige na, Bunso Kabukid. Work ka na. Go na sa work. Kasi unahin yung work bago sa YT, ha? At magpi-play naman ako mamaya ano mo para maano ka na. Kaunti na lang eh. Ano na lang siguro mga 200. Kasi nagpi-play din si Sis Abby. Tapos si PSP nagplay din si PSP. Kaya salamat sa kanila at ipinlay kanila. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-play kay Bunso Kabukid. Thank you so much PSP, Sis Abby. Sa lahat na nag-play sa kanya guys. Maraming salamat. Matagal ko na rin siyang kaibigan, si Bunso. Like my youngest brother. Parehas ni ni Tatsuki, parang bunso ko na rin na kapatid. Thank you so much everyone. Malapit na ako mag-end. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys. Pa-music pa ako ng isang music. Sandali lang, hanap ako ng kakayanin ko kakantahin. Gusto ko ma-practice naman yung yung lalamunan ko. Matagal hindi nakapagkanta. Thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. 6 million in the house. Ma'am Eunice, thank you so much. Malapit na ako, Ma'am Eunice, mag-end. Sa lahat nandiyan guys sa katambay, thank you so much. Swimming was closer, open her makeup, and glasses bending, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.